Hi there, Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, thank you so much for coming by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications for when I go live or post videos like this one. Doesn't cost you a thing, but it sure helps me out a lot, so thank you so much. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I love seeing you guys here on my channel, and I appreciate all your support. Today I have an unboxing of a project box from a shop called Simple Stitches Fabric Shop. They do a project box once a quarter, and I will put all the information down below. The price is not the same every time. I believe this one was $68 plus shipping. I will link them down below. As of filming this, they still had some left, but I know they sell out fairly quickly. So if you like what you see, go ahead and over there and grab one. Hopefully there'll still be some left when you see this video. And let's get opening it so you can see what's inside. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's from, again, Simple Stitches Fabric Shop. They're just a fun little shop out of Utah, and it came very quickly. I ordered it, I think, on Wednesday, and it came on Friday morning. So, very fast. This is what it looks like on the inside. There's a little note on top, and it says, "Thank you for purchasing the sewing box. Inside you'll find an exclusive summer kit and pattern. We also included one of our favorite little notions and a pattern to make your own. Perfect for gift giving. We are so thankful for your support. We couldn't do what we love without you. Couldn't do what we love without you, sorry. Happy sewing, Myra and Jeanette." And every time I've ordered something from their shop, even if it's not a box, because they have fabric and kits, they always send a little note thanking you, and one of them always puts their name on it. So that's something I really appreciate. Let's get this open. It's a cute little envelope. Ooh. Very patriotic. Cute. There's some embroidery floss there. Love the fabric. Okay, it looks like some Riley Blake fabric here. Very nice. And lots of fabric. There's a lot of fabric here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like 8 fat quarters and some embroidery floss that matches. There's a bunch of Mentos mints. Oh, this is really cute. This is the handmade item that they were talking about. And there's actually, they actually put 2 little needles in there already. So how nice of them. This fabric is beautiful. This is the fabric blend that I use for my American Pride quilt, and I just love it. And this is really, really cute. I love that. Oh, how sweet. Okay. So they did include the pattern for that needle minder, which is awesome. So you can make your own. That is a great gift for somebody. Like if you're in a swap or something like that. Yes. Okay, let's see. And then it looks like the main project, oh, I like this, is a table runner. Country Star Runner. And it's an original pattern by Myra from Simple Stitches. And it measures at 15 by 44. You need 8 of those, so the 8 fat quarters are for this. And then a half a yard of white background. So that's the background fabric. A half a yard of backing, which is this check. And a 1/4 yard of binding. So they've included the firework fabric as binding. And then, of course, you need a half a yard of batting, which is not in the box, but that's fine. Batting's usually not included in boxes. And then the DMC floss, if you want to make the stitching. Hang on, let me take the pattern out because it's reflecting. Okay, so there's stitching around the stars. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see that, but there's stitching around all the stars in the pattern, hand stitching, to sort of make them stand out and look like it's been hand quilted. And they did that with the embroidery floss that's in here. So very nice. I really, really like this pattern. This is really, really nice. And it looks like it's going to be fairly easy. It's just squares in stars. So this is a great box. I love the fabric. I love the pattern. This is absolutely darling. And you could make this out of any fabric as a gift for somebody. I love it. Okay, so that's the Simple Stitches Fabric Shop project box for the summer. Okay, so that was the Simple Stitches Fabric Shop project box for the summer. Their autumn one will be coming out in a few months, and I hope you enjoyed this box opening. Don't forget to go on over there and check them out, and if it's something that you're interested in, go grab one before they're sold out. Hopefully they're not sold out yet. They could be though. Please don't get mad at me if they are. But if they are, definitely hop on their newsletter list, because they send you out a email when they're ready to ship out their next box. They typically sell out within 48 to 72 hours. Sometimes a little bit longer, but fairly quickly. So if this is something you're interested in, go ahead and head over there. They usually don't do a quilt. They usually do some kind of sewing project. So it could be a pin cushion or a table runner like this, or the little needle minder. Now they'll usually give you two, like a smaller project and a little bit bigger project. So a table runner like the needle minder like it's in here, which is super cute. I love that needle minder. What a great, great present that makes. So I'm excited to make that. And I'm glad that they gave me one, so I have something to look at, because I've never made a needle minder before. So how fun. All right, I hope you enjoyed, and take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.